pressure, when there is an extra wax that builds up, which means the gold weight will shoot up. So they check the wax weights. If the wax weights increase, my gold weight increases. So it has a ripple effect. So they have to monitor the wax weights. They have to clean the waxes. Now, the prototype what Prashant was explaining, this is the negative space that is created. And this process is a vulcanizing process, like how we use for our tires to repair the puncture.
Correct.
We have these electric vulcanizers. So you put it under that, under heat the rubber melts and it takes the negative space. So this is the process. We have the style number written here. So whenever there's an order of a particular style number, there's an order sheet that is generated like this. So this is where the ERP system comes in place. So once it is put in the system, the quantities are defined, everything is defined. They have to go as per, then it gets printed and it comes here. There's a bag that is printed here only in this department. And then the movement starts happening from here in the bag. So every department this bag goes through, and all the details department wise get logged in here. The thing. So the in weight, the out weight, everything is seen. So that is how. That's the wax tree that she's pulling. She's putting in place. So by evening it will go into casting. Tomorrow morning this will get casted. That wax tree will get converted either into a silver or a gold tree. It will be replaced by gold or silver. So remember Prashant was saying there's something called liquid rubber.
Yeah.
But Prashant said that the wax is very fragile, right? But they are able to...
That is for the RPT, that one.
That's a different wax.
That's a different wax. This is a castable wax. So these are liquid rubbers. So this is, you pour it in the liquid, you put the prototype and pour the liquid rubber, and this solidifies by itself. And then you can see the piece, you can cut the mold and here. Yeah.
What is it going to?
Yeah, the lighter thing that do, yes. Anywhere where you have to bring down the cost without compromising on the look, then you can work with the metal mold, yes.
What is that machine for?
That is the wax injector for metal molds. That's called a plasto wax. Yeah, yeah. You are on familiar ground, so you must be knowing.
No, I am not into manufacturing. I'll tell you.
It's part of the company, not...
Yeah.
Shall we?
But I wanted experience.
I was talking about that hollow men's ring. Now, if you see inside, they are hollow.
Yeah, you saved enough, right?
And you see, this is a very lightweight. This is silver. This is a men's jewelry, men's ring.
Can I have a look?
Sure, sure. Go see inside.
This is silver.
Silver. Silver with black diamonds.
These are the nakshatra ones, no? We should put stars and all. Wow.
Huh?
Shani, Ritik,
We don't do that. That is for the domestic market. So that is more designs for females. Sorry? More percentage wise, yes. Have you been to Aurangabad? I've been as a tourist.
You have been to that cave. Now, in ancient days, men used to wear more jewelry than people. I don't know. That is what they say, right?
Yes.
These people treat Ladakhi.
And they took away.
But Rajesh, there the guy said the Singara was done by This is a grinder that he has actually.
This, yeah, it's more like a, what do you call it? Yeah, it's not exactly a grinder. But yeah, it is to smoothen or we use special kind of burrs when you're doing the setting. So that is why he's got that different
what
burrs.
stone is that? Emerald? That part.
This is lab created temperature.
So
We do 10, 14, 18.
and
Green diamond.
We don't shape the diamonds. These are all created. We buy ready finished polished diamonds. We directly use it. We don't do.
And it is only the diamonds that are having the margin, right? I mean, business wise, compared to metal.
The metal does not have. We give metal like the metal size.
Okay, and labor has
Never has.
Purpose of cleaning in diamond.
What?
Cleaning.
क्या कर रहे हैं? Please pre-cut it.
ये इतने में से तुमको वही चाहिए था कैसे?
हाँ?
इतने सारों में से वही कैसे लिया?
हमने ऐसा सब साइज रखा है, ऐसा लगा हुआ है सब। उसमें से मेरे को जो चाहिए देख के ले।
You will get a better finish.
He's fitting and he's pre-cutting.
They are setting it. He is heading the department. He selects the scheme as I told you, and these are the backbones. Now he is there with me since day one. Malay. And this is ये अपना Galaxy series है 102 के लिए. Now if you see there are about 7 diamonds in this, but they are set very closely to make it look like one.
It looks like a solitaire.
Yeah.
ऐसे क्या चिल्लाने थी जानकारी की उसकी?
मिल जाएगा वो बाद में.
One is a bit below and then you compress it.
They go into this flask. That thing, this POP is done under vacuum in that machine there. And then this is allowed to harden. There should not be a single air bubble in this.
Okay.
And then this goes into the furnace overnight. Now you see these were kept overnight. So the wax melts. The wax melts. The wax melts and there's a negative space that is created. That whole flask is put into this. You close the flask. You put the required quantity of metal into this. This is the where you put the gold. The calculations are there, so the exact amount of gold goes into this, and this under vacuum is pushed into the negative space. And this is a 3-minute process. The gold melts in 3 minutes, and you get that flask. Then we keep it to cool down for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Then under the water jet, the POP that you saw is broken, and you get that tree. And then they cut the screw. You cut that screw. The screw is cut, and this is what goes on the floor where they remove it, they file it. So these are the losses that are recovered.
Yes. So truded parts.
Yeah.
यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है?
पॉलिश किया जाता है ना, यहाँ पे पूरा क्लीन किया जाता है। उसमें तो कचरा इधर गिरता है।
हाँ
डस्ट है ना पूरा,
हाँ
बस यहाँ पे क्लीन हो गया।
ये ड्राई कर रहे हो क्या? एक ड्राई करके हाथ में दिखा सकते हो? ये गर्म होता है क्या? इसमें अभी डायमंड्स बैठेंगे।
हाँ, इसमें डायमंड बैठा, ये पिंक का, ये वाइट,
ओ, इतना बड़ा रिंग।